Here I have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Night Light. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity, and you can also add a schedule for it. You can add a schedule for a custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise, but firstly you'll have to enable the location access to this feature, so yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.